guys, welcome back to my channel. So to my returning subscribers, thank you very much for always tuning in, and to my new subscribers, you are welcome. My name is Joy Romosele. I'm a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria, and if you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share. And so we are making this very delicious Nigerian egusi soup. So guys, let's get started. So guys, for this recipe I'm using beef, and you're free to use any choice of protein, okay? And next I added my chopped onion, ginger and garlic paste, seasoning powder and dry blended pepper. For the dry blended pepper, I just want a little bit heat from my meat, so if you don't want, you can just skip that part, okay? So I'll just stir this, then cover to steam for about 10 to 15 minutes on a low heat.
Forever you're my father, now you give me rest. When I look around, I'll see your faithfulness. I'll bow down on.
So guys, it's 15 minutes and now I'll go in with enough water to cook. And while our beef is cooking, let's go prep for our delicious egusi soup. So guys, here is what I'll be using for my egusi soup, which is bitter leaf. I'll be washing it. Bitter leaf is totally optional. You can use any vegetable of your choice, okay? Bitter leaf is just what I like. If you know me well, you will know I love bitter leaf in my soup. Either egusi soup, ogbono soup, just any soup, I love bitter leaf, except I'm not supposed to use bitter leaf in that soup. So I'll be washing this lightly because I still want to retain the bitter taste. So I'll just wash this lightly, then go in with some hot water to just reduce, but I'm not completely removing the bitter taste, okay?
Daddy, 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 oh, daddy, 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 with the power.
After washing this, I'll add hot water, then set aside. So for this recipe, we're using yellow pepper, red pepper, tatashe pepper and oshombo, and iru is not optional, okay? I'll just blend this together and set aside. So next is my black fish and kpanla fish, which I'm going to debone, wash, then set aside. And guys, this is not optional. I'm just going to add hot water to this to soften it. And this is our cow skin, which is optional, and this is the ombonge. Is that correct? And this is the major ingredient for our soup, blended egusi. So I'll just go in with my roughly blended onion and some meat stock. Then this is totally optional. For my egusi, I love my egusi to be lumpy. If you don't want a lumpy egusi, you can just skip this part. Just pour it in, fry, then do it the way you like. You can actually play with egusi soup, okay? It will still come out very nice, but I love lumpy egusi, so I'll just do this and set aside.
I can see everything turning around, see everything turning around, see everything turning around for my good. I can see everything turning, see everything turning. See everything turning around for my good. And I can see God changing situations. He is changing lives. Oh, turning around for my good. I can see Yahweh turning around.
So guys, we are done prepping and now we are ready to cook our egusi soup. And guys, we are not bleaching our oil. I just heated my pan for a while before adding my oil. That's why it's looking like this. So what I added was onion, my chopped onion, and next is my blended iru, tatashe, scotch bonnet pepper and yellow pepper with my long pepper. So, and the next thing I added here is my blended crayfish powder. And guys, I'll cover this to cook for about 7 to 10 minutes, then come back and add my stockfish. My stockfish is not cooked yet. I only soften it with hot water, but now I'll be cooking it. Then after adding my stockfish, I'll go ahead and add my egusi just like this.
Forever, you're my father. Forever, forever, daddy, daddy. Daddy, 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 with the bomb. Daddy, daddy, with the bless. Daddy, daddy's changing lives around. Daddy, with the pampa. Daddy, with the bless. You're an amazing father, and you're giving me rest. Daddy, you're my father. You give me rest, you give me peace. I'll bow down, I will bow down. I'll bow down on my knees, cause now you did bust my brain.
So guys, I left this for about 15 to 20 minutes and I was checking at intervals just to avoid burnt egusi, because once your egusi is burnt, you won't enjoy it at all. So guys, I'm going to be matching this chunk of egusi to my desired size. I don't like it this chunky, so don't worry, okay? I will do that. So what I added next is my deboned manla fish and blackfish, and I grilled my beef. I added pepper, that's why it was looking like that, and I added my meat stock. And guys, at this point the aroma coming out from my kitchen was calling, so I just stirred and just covered this to cook. I added water though, so just to loosen up a bit because it was too thick, so I just stirred this and allowed to cook properly.
Forever, you're my father. Not you, they give me rest. When I look around, I see your faithfulness. I'll bow down on my knees. Now you have it the best. Daddy, with the pampa. Daddy, with the bless. Forever, you're my father.
Guys, excuse me say this was super delicious. Trust me, you can never go wrong with this recipe. Just trust me, okay? I'm not capping. So I'll just go ahead and add my cow skin is already soft, so I'm adding it now. And now I'm adding my washed bitter leaf, and I will just stir this. And guys, what would you be pairing this with? For me, pounded yam goes well with this egusi soup, okay? So I'll be pairing mine with correct pounded yam. So I left this for about 7 to 10 minutes to cook before serving. And guys, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and always turn on your notification bell, so once I upload, you'll be among the first rather to see my video. Bye bye.
God has turned it around for my good. What the